Here is the blueprint for training tutorial number 3. We will be referencing this blueprint in order to create the part in the training tutorial. As you can see, the material that we're going to be using is aluminum 6061. You can also find these files off www.emastercam.com. Hello everyone, and welcome to Mastercam X9 Mil-Advanced Training Tutorial number 3. As you can see here, I've gone through the graphic user interface to establish my grid and change my default wireframe color to a dark blue. I did this by going through step number 1, which is setting up the graphic user interface. If you guys haven't gone through that step, please do so before continuing on to this training tutorial. I'm going to start with step number 2, which is create 2 circles at a given point and set the diameters. Come up to the top and select Create. Hover over Arc and select Circle Center Point. From here, we're going to give the diameter 2 and we're going to hit Enter on our keyboard. As you can see, we are drafting this circle with this diameter. Come to the origin here and select Here. When this is done, select Apply and come over to the right hand side and insert a diameter of 4.0102 and hit Enter on your keyboard. Again, we will come down to the origin and select the origin here. When this is done, select OK. Your part should look as shown. Come up to the top and select Create. Hover over Line and select Endpoint. Once Endpoint is selected, grab this quadrant right here, followed by this quadrant right here. When this is done, select OK. In your ribbon bar, come up to the top and select Edit. Go to Trim Break Extend. From here, select the Divide key and highlight this arc right here, followed by this arc right here. Once you are done, your part should look like this. Once this is done, come down to Level and select it. Under Number, make sure that it lists number 1 and make the name Solid/Wireframe. From here, we will change the number from 1 to 2 and hit Enter on our keyboard. We will come over to the Name section and name this Surface. And we will turn off Level 1 by clicking the X. Once this is done, select OK. Come up to the top and select Create, Point, Position, and select the fast point right here. We are going to insert the value 0, 1, 0 and hit Enter on our keyboard. We are then going to select fast point again and type in the value -1, 0, -0.5 and hit Enter on your keyboard. Come up to the top and select fast point again. Enter the value 0, -1, -1 and hit Enter on your keyboard again. When this is done, select the isometric view and select Fit to Screen. As you can see, our points are created like this on different Z depths. Come up to the top and select fast point again. Insert the value 0, 2, 0 and hit Enter on your keyboard. Select Fit to Screen. Select the fast point again and insert the value -2, 0, -0.5 and hit Enter on your keyboard. Again, Fit to Screen so you can see. And lastly, select fast point one last time and type in the value 0, -2, -1 and hit Enter on your keyboard. And again, select Fit to Screen to see what we've created. When this is done, come down here and make sure that 3D is selected. You can toggle this if need be, but make sure it does say 3D. Select OK when finished. Come up to the top and go Create, Arc 3 points. Once we've selected this, grab this arc here, followed by this point here, followed by this point here, to create our arc. When this is done, select OK. Come up to the top and select Create, Arc 3 points. This time we're going to grab the outer points here, 1, 2, and 3. Once we have this done, select OK. Come over to the right hand side and select Quick Mask Points and hit Delete on your keyboard. The point should now be deleted. Select Fit to Screen if you don't see all of your wireframe. Come up to the top and select Create, Line, Endpoint. From here, we are going to grab this endpoint here, followed by this endpoint here. Once this is done, select OK. We are now going to create a swept surface. A swept surface is a surface generated by translating or rotating one or more contours along one or two other contours, or along curves. Come up to the top and select Create. From here, we will scroll down to Surface and select Swept. It is important that we choose this icon right here, as opposed to the default one, which was right here. Select this one here. Come down and select Single, and select this line here. Hit Enter on your keyboard. Select line again, and grab the along contours here. Hit Enter on your keyboard. When this is done, your geometry should look like this. Hit the OK button. Come up to the top, and select Create again. Scroll down to Surface, and select Extend. To be able to trim a solid to a surface, the surface edges need to overlap the edges of a solid. In this step, we will use Create Surface Extend to extend all of the surface edges with a small amount. Select Extend now. From here, up at the top, we need to make sure that we have this one selected here, Linear, and we need to make sure that the length is 0.05, and that we have this selected, Delete. When this is done, select the surface here and move over to this line here to extend it out. Once that's done, select Apply, grab the surface again and extend the bottom out. Select Apply, and do it for all other surfaces. So in total now, hit the OK button and you should have extended surfaces on every one of your geometry lines. Once we have extended past the geometry lines, come down to Level and substitute Level 2 for Level 3 and hit Enter on your keyboard. From here, insert the name Solid. As you can now see, Level 1 is Solid / Wireframe, Level 2 is Surface, and Level 3 is Solid. Turn off Level 2 and turn on Level 1, and select OK when done. We are now going to get into creating solids. Solid Extrude uses planar chains of curves to create one or more new solid bodies, cuts on an existing body, or adds a boss on an existing body. Come up to the top and select Solids and select Extrude. From here, we will leave the default chaining method and select this line here. Select OK when done. If your stock is facing upwards, simply hit this button to reverse it. Make sure that we are creating body and that we have a distance of 2. When this is done, come up to the top here and select OK and create a new operation. We now need to chain this circle here. If you are unable to see it, hold down Alt and hit S on your keyboard. Now we can see it more clearly. Grab this geometry here and select OK. As you can see, the Solids menu appears again. This time, the type, we are going to cut the body, and we are going to do it at a distance of 1. You can see what we are kind of doing here when you rotate. We are trimming into the solid. If need be, select the reverse button so that the arrow is facing down. When this is done, select OK. Hit Alt-S on your keyboard to see the progress that we made. Come down to the bottom and select Level. In Level, we're going to make 2 visible, and we're going to make Level 1 invisible. Select OK when this is done. Your part should look like this. Come up to the top and select Solids. Scroll down to Trim and select Trim to Surface / Sheet. We are going to select the solid here, and we are going to select the surface. Hit Alt-S on your keyboard to select the surface here. Once we have done this, you will see that we trimmed the stock and solid accordingly. Select OK. Come down to the bottom and select Level. From here, we will make Level 2 invisible and select OK. Our part should look like this. Hit Alt-S. Now that we have this side of the solid complete, what we can do is take this solid and rotate it around to create another half. This will save us time developing the surface and going into the solids menu and cutting it out and creating the body and just various things like that. So in order to do that, come up to the top and select X form and scroll down to rotate. Select this side of the stock here and hit enter to end your selection. Once this is done, we want to make one copy and we're going to rotate it 180 degrees and hit enter on our keyboard. As you can see, a sketch of it already appears on the right hand side. Once this is done, select OK. Here you will see the part is now rotated around. Come up to the top and select Clear Colors, and select Isometric and Fit to Screen. Once this is done, we will need to make a Boolean surface in order to join these two together. In this step, you will use the solids Boolean add to merge the two solids together. Boolean functions construct a solid from combinations of two or more existing solids. You can merge solids, remove solids from one another, and find the common region of overlapping solids. Come up to the top and select Solids. Scroll down and select Boolean. From here, select this surface, and then select this surface here. Select OK when you have this done. We want to make sure that Add is selected here and select OK. Come down to this menu down here and beside Toolpath select Solids and expand the Solids menu to see all the operations that we've done so far with this solid. Fit to screen if need be. From this point we're going to create a new solid to be used as stock. Come down to the bottom and select Level. In Level we're going to change number 3 to number 4 and hit enter on our keyboard. We're going to insert the name Stock, and turn off level 3 and turn on level 1. When this is done, select OK. Come over to the right hand side and select QM Arcs. Come up to the top and highlight Hide Entity. Whatever we don't have highlighted currently on our screen geometry wise will be hidden from sight. So when we select this, we will only have the two circles. Select that button. When that's done, select this circle on the inside here. Come up to the top and go X form and select Translate. We're going to copy this and we're going to move it along the Z depth -2 and hit enter on our keyboard. It should look something like this. Select OK. Grab the circle that we just created, come up to the top and select X form and go to Offset. We're going to make this bigger in diameter. So we're going to make it by moving it, and we're going to select it to be 0.25 length. Once this is done, select OK. As you'll notice, your circle is now bigger. Select this icon here, which is Clear Colors, and select OK. Your geometry should look as shown. Come up to the top and select Solid. Select Extrude. Grab the outer circle here, and select OK. Once you have done this, we're going to create a body and give it a distance of 2 and hit enter on our keyboard. Make sure that it is facing down. If it is not facing down, select the reverse all button in order to flip the stock. Once this is done, select this button here, OK, and create a new operation. From here, if you can't see the wireframe, hold down Alt and hit S on your keyboard. Now grab this circle here and select OK. Once you have this circle, we are going to make sure that we cut body, and if need be, the arrow needs to be facing down in order to cut into the stock. We're also going to change the distance to be 1 as opposed to 2. Once this is done, we will come up and select this icon here, OK, and create new operation. Once we have done this, we're going to go ahead and grab this bottom circle here. Select OK when you have it. Come up to the top and select Add Boss. We need to make sure to give it a distance of 2 and hit enter on our keyboard. Your part should look as shown. Select OK, fit to screen, and unshade your part. Once you get to this point, come over to the side and select Hide Entity in order to bring back your original line. Come over to the side and select File and hit Save As. I'm going to save this as Tutorial 3 in a location where I'll be able to find it. Select the Save button.